Hello, and welcome to this introductory video for the AR Periodic Table of Elements, presented by Fallingstar Studios. The AR Periodic Table of Elements program allows any student with access to a printer and Android device to be able to see a model of an atom, manipulate it in real time, and read its various qualities. The provided slips of paper contain information pertaining to a certain atom, and, when viewed through the AR Periodic Table of Elements program, allow you to see a model of said atom above it. To reach this goal, this program uses an SDK called Vuforia Augmented Reality, allowing the user to see a different world around them. With the AR Periodic Table of Elements, most any student can see the structure of an atom, allowing easier, faster learning. Thank you for listening. Fallingstar Studios. Shoot for the moon, for even if you miss, you shall land among the stars.